Today's challenge is about dimensional analysis. It is one of the most important tools in physics. You can use it to check equations and determine unknown quantities. Your task is to identify a physical quantity based only on its dimensions. Read the problem carefully and first try to solve it on your own. Afterward, do not skip straight to the answer. We will work through the solution step by step together. This way, you will understand not only the answer, but also the way of thinking physicists use to solve problems like this. Today, we are looking at a problem involving dimensional analysis in physics. We are given the dimensions ml squared t to the power of minus 2. We need to identify the physical quantity that has exactly these dimensions. The possible answers are density, force, energy, and power. Let's begin with a short review. The dimensional symbols have the following meanings. M represents mass, L represents length, and T represents time. Dimensional analysis is a method that allows us to check physical relationships and calculation results. It also allows us to match a set of dimensions to a specific physical quantity. This can be very helpful in physics. Before we begin, we need the quantity equations for the four given quantities. These are density, force, energy, and power. Now let's check the possible answers step by step. Let's start with density. The quantity equation is rho equals mass divided by volume. Volume has the dimensions L to the power of 3. Therefore, the dimensions of density are ml to the power of minus 3. This does not match the required dimensions. Now let's consider force. Force equals mass multiplied by acceleration. Acceleration has the dimensions Lt to the power of minus 2. Therefore, force has the dimensions mlt to the power of minus 2. This does not match either. Now let's consider energy. One possible quantity equation is energy equals mass multiplied by acceleration and height. This gives us the dimensions ml squared t to the power of minus 2. And these are exactly the dimensions we are looking for. Therefore, the correct answer is energy. Finally, let's check power. Power equals energy divided by time. Compared with energy, this introduces another t in the denominator. Therefore, power has the dimensions ml squared t to the power of minus 3. This answer is also incorrect. The physical quantity with the dimensions ml squared t to the power of minus 2 is therefore energy. Not too difficult, was it? See you next time.